So you are an IT service provider operating, I don't know, let's say from Latin America, from some country in Chile, Mexico, or I don't know, Australia, I don't know, UK. And one of your clients asks you, hey, I would like to be able to monitor the live screen of in my business. Why would the client want to watch the live computer screen remotely in their business? There are a lot of use cases. It depends on the country. It depends on the specific use case. It depends of so many things. But this is only a technical video, not a legal advice video. But in case that it is possible after having checked with a lawyer, one possibility, if your client asks you that he wants to monitor the remote live screens in his company, he by himself, Wolfeye is an option, because Wolfeye is a small piece of software that I will show you in a minute, that you install it on each of the computers that you want to see the live screen, the remote stealth hide screen, live screen. And you will get access to a dashboard like this. This is a demo dashboard. The password is 12345. Of course, in your case, you will get your own dashboard and no password will be displayed. You log into your dashboard and will have access. We'll see all the computer live screens where Wolfeye Remote Screen has been installed. That's how Wolfeye Remote Screen helps you. So you as an IT service provider will have the possibility to charge that to your client in case he's allowed to do it in his legislation, in his country, from his privacy, from his use case and everything. That has to be checked. This video is not a legal video. It's a technical, what is technically possible. And if they if they install it on their computer, you can resell them. You can recharge them for this Wolfeye Remote Screen software. This is a very good practical way for your clients to see the live computer screen in his business. Yeah, that's how they. What you see here, this is a demo dashboard. So these are only pictures. This is only a picture. But in reality, you will see the live computer screen for each of the computers where Wolfeye has been installed. So let me guide you through the dashboard. What you see on the top, you can change the columns to 2, for example, so that your client might be able to see bigger screens or to see more screens by changing to 3 columns. And he could even see a much bigger screen. Let's say he wants to take a closer look at this or this or this. Let's see, to this computer or this, right mouse click on this where you read live and open in a new tab. So he can take in the browser, he will see the live computer screen for that particular computer. And also, in case he wanted to make screenshots and save a screenshot history to check what to see what has been done throughout a period of time, he has this history link. He right mouse click, opens a new tab and can check the screenshot history. Like every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, a screenshot is saved. So this is how Wolfeye Remote Screen works. And if you would like to test it to see if it might be a way for one of your customers, you can try it. Come to our website, wolfeye.co, wolfeye.co. Come to the website in English here and book a demo session with me. It will be with me. Book a demo session. So please, you might be in another country than me. So choose the date, choose the time. This will take into account that we are in different time zones. And in this demo, Wolfeye will already be installed on my computer and I will give you access to my dashboard so that you exactly see how you will see my live computer screen as if you were sitting in front of it, but you will be anywhere in the world and you even will see it from your smartphone. Yeah, because you only need a browser. As you see here, you only need a browser to see the live screen on that dashboard. And then, if you like, I can give you the download link for Wolfeye Remote Screen, and you can install it on 1 or 2 of your computers. It's so easy to install. That will enable you to install it on the remaining of your computers. Yeah? So I can show it exactly how easy and fast the installation is. Very, very easy. So you go to the download folder, probably you download it to your download folder, and this is the file that you will download, Wolfeye setup. You double click it and the installation wizard opens. You just hit the install button here and it is installed. And then you hit finish and it runs Wolfeye. And then to set it up, you only have to hit the green button that says share screen. You hit it and it's already sharing the screen. And then the blue button that says stealth mode. So you're already sharing the screen. You could see the screen already. And stealth mode hides the software. So please come to wolfeye.co, book a demo session with me so I can give you the download link and we can install it on one or two of your computers. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.